Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the skincare community, the Orlane Paris B21 Extraordinaire Renewal Oil. This luxurious face oil promises to revitalize and restore radiance, making it ideal for those with dry or damaged skin. Let's take an honest, in-depth look at how it actually performs. First off, the Orlane B21 Extraordinaire Renewal Oil is a nourishing and restorative face oil blend designed to refresh the skin. It comes in a 30 ml bottle, and while it's marketed as suitable for all skin types, it's particularly appealing to those with skin that's feeling dry or looking a bit lackluster. The product claims to not only hydrate, but also bring back that youthful glow, thanks to its unique formulation. The B21 in the name refers to its blend of oils and active ingredients designed to tackle signs of aging, while leaving the skin feeling smoother and more vibrant. Now, when we get into the nitty-gritty of the ingredients, the focus here is on a mix of plant-based oils and extracts that work together to support skin repair. One of the highlights is the blend's ability to hydrate deeply without feeling greasy, which is a must for any nourishing face oil. I've been testing this oil for about 2 weeks now, incorporating it into my evening skincare routine. The first thing I noticed was the texture. This oil is incredibly fine and lightweight, which is a game changer for someone like me who typically avoids oils that feel too heavy or leave an oily residue. It absorbs quickly into the skin, making it a great choice for layering with other treatments or for use before applying your night cream. The scent is subtle but pleasant, which I personally appreciate in skincare. As far as effectiveness, I've definitely noticed a difference in how my skin feels. The dryness around my cheeks and forehead has significantly reduced, and the overall texture feels much smoother. What's also impressive is the radiance. It's not an over-the-top glow, but there's a noticeable brightness to my skin in the mornings. It's almost as if my skin is rejuvenated overnight. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this oil is definitely great for anyone looking to restore moisture to their skin without weighing it down. It's ideal for dry or dehydrated skin, as it works to rehydrate and rejuvenate. Another big plus? The formulation feels elegant. There's no greasiness or heavy residue. And honestly, a little goes a long way. So even though it's a higher-end product, it should last a decent amount of time. On the flip side, the price point is something to consider. Orlane is a luxury brand, and this oil does come with a premium price tag. If you're someone who's on a tighter budget, you might find it difficult to justify the cost, especially considering that there are other nourishing oils out there that deliver similar results for a lower price. But if you're someone who loves a luxe skincare experience, this could definitely be worth the splurge. When it comes to value for money, it really depends on your skincare goals. If you're looking for a product that combines the benefits of anti-aging with intense hydration, and you have the budget for it, this oil is absolutely a solid choice. But if you're just looking for basic hydration, there are alternatives that could give you similar results for a fraction of the price. Now, in terms of comparisons, if you're after something that's a little more affordable, but still delivers moisture and radiance, you might want to look into options like Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil or Sunday Riley's Luna Sleeping Night Oil. Both are popular in the skincare world and deliver similar hydrating and skin smoothing benefits. As for build quality, the packaging is elegant yet functional. The bottle is sturdy with a glass dropper for easy application, making it easy to control how much you dispense. I also love that it's compact enough to travel with, without the risk of spillage. As far as longevity goes, the product hasn't caused any irritation or issues with prolonged use, and I expect it will continue to be effective for as long as I use it. I do recommend using it consistently, over time, to get the full benefits of its anti-aging properties. I haven't had direct interaction with Orlane's customer service, but from what I've read, their reputation for customer support is strong. They're known for providing great assistance should any issues arise with their products. If you've tried this oil or have any thoughts, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let's talk about your experiences. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that more beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, the Orlane B21 Extraordinaire Renewal Oil is a fantastic option for those dealing with dry or dull skin who want to invest in a high-quality, effective product. It's definitely on the pricier side, but if you're looking for an oil that hydrates, rejuvenates, and brings back a healthy glow, it delivers. If you're interested, you can find the link to purchase in the description box below. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic today. Stay beautiful, inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one.